Hey babe, that's your coffee. That's for you. Alright, we're coffeeed up and the Roomba's gonna clean while we're gone. Mochi, leave the Roomba alone. Off to work. Also, for those of you wondering, yes, I am still doing my 2-mile morning run. This will more than likely be my last run for the next couple days as this monster Hurricane Irma storm approaches. But yeah, actually, let's talk about Hurricane Irma for a second. You see, as business owners with a warehouse full of inventory and homeowners with a house on the water, we are obviously concerned about the hurricane coming. But here's the deal, guys. I want to say this very, very clearly. There's a huge difference between being concerned and making sure that you're prepared and living in fear. We are not fearful. Both of us have been through major hurricanes before. And the reason I'm even saying this is because I've seen a lot of YouTube videos basically capitalizing on this hurricane and spreading propaganda saying like, oh, Florida's gonna get wiped off the face of the earth and everybody's gonna die. It's not true, guys. Most of Florida is built to withstand hurricanes. Now, obviously this is a major one, it's huge, but going crazy and being fearful and getting people hyped up and just causing panic is not the way to live your life. So in our case, we are making sure that our business is protected, our home is protected, and more than anything else, we're making sure that our lives are protected and our puppies' lives are protected.
Yeah, we're not freaking out. We're not going to overreact. We're going to make logical choices based off of the information provided by the radars on the news outlets and, you know, the internet outlets and whatnot. So we're going to do what's necessary to make sure everything is safe by not overreacting, not panicking, and it's going to be fine. Right.
As of right now, it's 1 p.m. on Friday. The expected hurricane landfall is tomorrow morning in South Florida, and it probably will hit us around, what, Sunday morning, I believe?
I think that they moved it to Monday now.
Monday? Okay, it's going
really
slow.
Early Monday morning, yeah.
And all of our family, or most of our family, does live in Florida. My parents are on the east coast of Florida. Allison's parents, Allison's grandparents live here. Her brother just bought a house here. So obviously, we have a lot of family here that we need to be concerned about. So we are doing what needs to be done to make sure that we're safe. That's really what it's about. It's about being safe and protecting ourselves, but it's also not about living in constant fear. Our business has insurance. Our home has insurance. That's, we just got to go on with our lives and just let things run its course, So, but we will keep you guys updated on the status of this hurricane. Definitely thank you again for your guys' thoughts and prayers. We really do appreciate that.
It's really appreciated, all the really nice comments, everyone. So thank you so much for that.
But don't expect any garage sale videos this weekend.
Yeah, there's probably not going to be so many garage sales.
Probably not.
No.
All right, guys, enough talk about the hurricane. We're good. We're going to go ahead into our office now and prepare it a little bit. We've just stopped at the UPS store because I think there's a couple packages here for us. I don't know if there's any presents, but if there are, we'll open those on camera. Presents! Presents! But yeah, we're gonna do that and then head on into the office. Yeah! Woo. Hurricane! We got 2 presents, which we'll open when we get to the office, and we got 1 return. This item here was a return from somebody who it just didn't fit them right, so they sent it back. The nice thing about the way that we do things is that when the item doesn't fit, they have to pay return shipping. We don't pay for return shipping, and we charge a 10% restocking fee. So that covers the initial shipping to the customer as well. That'll just go up for sale again. It's a little Tommy Bahama shirt, and it wasn't a huge loss either. It was like $17. So.
Okay.
Look at those beautiful blue skies right now. Enjoy it while you can, babe.
Hey, babe.
What?
You're so short. When it rains, you're the last one to know.
Wow. Callie, what time is it?
Tool time!
Tool time!
Oh, for that.
It's a sweet shirt. It's mail time!
Mail time! Oh my god, I'm so excited. This one is huge! And this one is beautiful!
We got 2 packages. This one's heavy. Feels like candy.
Mm. Did you just say candy?
This one This one's got a little jangle jangle to it. Listen.
Jangle.
Ooh, did you even
What?
heard that?
All right, let's open it. Let's open it. Scissors.
So pretty. Careful.
Scissors. You gotta hand them like I'm a doctor.
Scalpel.
Nurse, scissors.
Check. Dr. Ryan.
All right, which one should we open first? The big one or the smaller one?
Always small first.
Oh, but
All
look
right,
how
here we
pretty
go.
those butterflies
pretty.
are. Where did they get those bags?
This is from Sigler Store Cruising for College, is what it says on it.
I'm done with school.
If this is yours, if you sent us this, leave a comment so we know it's from you. The butterflies are a really great touch, by the way.
I love
Careful, you
that
don't
bag.
cut.
Careful.
Eh.
Oh, good call. Nice.
I'll just
Doctor.
give it a little doctor.
Dr.
The
Roots.
surgery was a success. Here we go.
What
Oh, I
is
see
that?
fanny pack.
Fanny pack,
I
fanny
see
pack,
a
fanny pack.
unicorn.
Oh,
There's a
wow.
unicorn? Oh.
Oh, wow. That is a
Whoa.
nice fanny pack.
Oh.
Hey-oh.
Oh.
It's like leather.
Can I touch your fanny
Please.
pack?
For all the Australians and
Stroke it
English
gently.
people
Oh,
out
there's
there.
another one.
There's two fanny
packs.
Multiples.
I needed
What's that
This
one
all
say?
the
Says-
fanny packs. Oh, it's so
Say
retro.
Swage Wooten Eye Center. That's so vintage and awesome. I think there's
That is
something in it.
hilarious.
There's
Wait,
something in it.
There's something in it?
Wow.
It's another little fanny
a
pack.
fanny pack and a fanny pack with a fanny pack.
Inception.
Wow, look at the
It's a fanny pack.
Look at
in
the colors
a
on
fanny
that one.
pack.
Camo looking.
there's another something in there.
Oh
It's
my
another
god.
one.
What
Oh
is
my God,
happening?
This one says walk. Oh my goodness.
That one's cute.
Guys,
This is incredible.
we're so ready for music festivals.
Remember when
Now
you
we
like
need to go
had
to a music
0
festival.
fanny packs? Now you have like 50.
That's so
Look
great.
at these
Thank
fanny
you.
packs.
Oh, there's a
Wow.
note too. Maybe that'll tell us who it's from.
Callie asked us to borrow a fanny pack. Now I'm gonna say no because we have so many. I want to rub it in her eyes. Oh my god, give it to me.
What is that? A beanie baby?
It's a
corn?
TY Beanie Baby. I remember the unicorn ones, guys.
I've never seen a unicorn one.
Donate
That's
it.
so cool.
It's
Ah, it's
mystic.
cursive. I can't read cursive. All right, here we go. Hi, Allie and Ryan. You guys are so helpful. I have learned so much from you about selling since I started in March of this year. You understand what you're doing and how you relate to your audience. You are also so sincere,
Yay, thank you.
which makes watching you fun and learning easy. Here are a couple fanny packs. Yay! Of course, I don't expect you to wear them. Oh, we're gonna wear them. You may not expect it, but we're gonna wear them. But in your new studio, it'd be cool to put a couple coat hangers and hang the fanny pack up that you do. Oh, that's cool. Put the fanny packs up in the studio, like hang them in the background. That'd be cool. Please, that's awesome. Please continue to crush your fellow YouTubers by being real and being a breath of fresh air. Yeah. We do, guys. We
nice.
strive to be different and kind of set ourselves apart, especially in the reselling community. So thanks for that. Ryan plus purple wig equals awesome.
That's right. I remember that.
Loyal fan Kathy, thank you so much, Kathy. We really do appreciate it.
Thank you,
are awesome.
Kathy.
You rock.
Wow, what
This
a great
is
gift.
incredible. Look at the red one.
That's so cool.
Fanny packs on fanny packs.
On fanny packs. On fanny packs.
With a unicorn on the top.
Don't touch my unicorn.
This one is
Yeah, we save
from
all the notes.
this one is from Resale Addicts. Jackson Friedman Resale Addicts from Texas. How exciting. You want to open this one, babe?
It's from Texas.
Look how big that is.
Resale Addicts. I feel like we're friends with them on Instagram.
Yeah.
We've chatted with them.
I think so.
Yeah.
You need the scissors?
Oh,
I
wait,
don't think
actually,
you should
no.
give her anything sharp.
Okay.
She like dropped that knife and
Oh, that's right.
that scared me. You dropped a knife like in your crotchal region. Can I say that?
Well, I
Crotchal?
mean, you know,
Region?
it's not a
Say
big.
that.
I'm not a guy. Like, if I drop a knife downward, it's. I mean, I just have a couple of toes. You got 10 toes. You have to worry. If you're a guy,
That
you
is-
drop a knife.
Really good
That-
reasoning. I like it.
Right?
That's really something to be concerned
Oh.
about.
Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it.
Cut it out.
Oh, well, there's packets on packages.
Yeah, I just wanted
A lot
to be
of
really
conception.
careful.
Bubble wrap.
Ooh,
Hey, thanks for the bubble wrap.
Thank you for the bubble wrap.
We always need more bubble wrap.
Let me put that in the
Oh wait,
box.
that probably sounds terrible in the mic.
Does that sound terrible? Hey, turn your if you're listening on headphones, turn your volume up. Open it.
I'm going.
So
There's a way to open them.
Ooh,
They're
it's
perforated
perforated.
in your faces.
Okay.
Ooh.
Careful. Careful with our stuff. There's so
Oh
much stuff.
my
It's not a
gosh.
troll. It's something else.
What are those?
What
Pens.
is this?
It's an ice cream pen.
It's an.
Oh, they're pens.
Nice. Twist it.
Oh.
Oh my god, those are incredible.
I used to work in an ice cream shop. You didn't know.
Hey, back in the day.
Revolution Ice Cream, Brandon, Florida.
Before we stole you.
Shout out Rev.
Oh my god, this is such an amazing gift. Oh wait, this is a pencil. Holy.
Oh.
I almost just
pencil. Don't say naughty words.
Oh, this one's got the note in it.
Is that all?
This is incredible.
Whoa, you got there's a lot of stuff in this package. Oh, it's an iPhone cord.
Oh.
It's an iPhone cord. Oh, I can never have enough of those. That's awesome.
Ooh.
Oh whoa, wait,
We
this
were
one
just
does
talking about
things. This one does things.
What does it do?
Is this a Mac keyboard cover?
Oh my god,
yeah.
I
You got a
need
blue
one.
Isn't your favorite color blue?
It is.
I
Should we give
needed
it to
one,
Callie?
but I mean,
No.
Callie
Yeah.
deserves
It wasn't
gifts
addressed to
too.
me.
Callie's favorite color is blue.
Heyo.
Okay, let me read this note. I thought you could use a charger because why not? Oh my god, yes. Number 2 is only have one keyboard cover, so you guys can fight for it.
Oh!
Callie
Winner.
No.
Oh, that's what those are. I included some
Serious?
earbud wind-ups in case you guys are struggling
Yes.
on cords.
I need.
That's what those
I
are.
need these
Awesome.
so
So
badly.
they don't get all
I
tangled
called
up.
dibs on these
And
two.
they fish. All right, damn.
You need 2? How many headphones you got, girl?
4 pairs. I have 4 pairs of headphones.
Oh my, do you use all of them?
Yes. Actually,
She
uses
uses
all
all
of them. I uses all of them.
What's in the green one? So many gifts.
This is a pretty blue color.
I've
too.
It
needed
is a really
these.
pretty blue color.
Wait,
Wait, I want to keep opening gifts. This
I
is
know
fun.
these are really great gifts.
It's like
Callie, do you need
Christmas.
one?
Christmas. I mean, I'll take one.
Hey
What
guys, by the
color?
way,
Not red.
Whichever you don't want.
pink. By the way, guys, if you do, excuse you, are you okay?
Callie.
I was choking on fishbone.
I'm just kidding. Okay. Sorry, you're back.
She just slapped me so hard.
Oh my God.
It's okay.
That is employee
okay.
abuse, babe. Workers' comp.
Workers' comp.
If you guys ever want to send us anything, our address is, if I can put it up there, I will. It's there somewhere.
Or maybe over here.
Somewhere on the
Over
screen right
there.
now.
Right here.
Green. Green is my favorite color.
Is it?
Yeah. This color green. I really like this color green.
Ooh.
What?
Fancy in there.
Oh my god,
What are all
dude.
these amazing gifts? This is crazy.
You guys are too nice.
You guys are, what?
We need to
what?
send gifts
What?
now.
What?
May want to refresh your cases and
Thrift in style.
if your case is fairly new,
Just
then
wait.
Dude, this is an OtterBox.
Oh my god.
That's
They
like a
sent you an
$50 case.
OtterBox?
Yeah.
No.
Come on.
That is awesome.
Okay, you guys get free shirts.
Yeah,
Seriously.
yeah. Free shirts. Let us know your sizes and we'll send you 2 free shirts.
My dad loves otters.
And for all the fanny packs. Hit us up.
Another
This
one.
is crazy.
A spec case. Oh wow, this is really nice. Where's my phone? I actually really need a new case. Did you see that that my case was all like peeling and falling apart? Is
There's
that why
more
you guys...
presents too.
That is
Ooh.
fancy.
You
And
look
it's
like
one
you
of
got a
those
new
like
phone.
it's one of those like you can drop it cases, you know? And the
Bruh.
phone's okay?
Bro, calm down.
That's nice.
Let me feel her.
Okay, whoa, if you're gonna drop your phone, do it with the OtterBox. Wait, there's more.
More.
I'm gonna guess that these are Dragon Ball Z related.
What?
You know nothing.
Will Callie be
Callie
right?
Snow.
Probably not.
This is amazing. Thank
Those
you.
are really nice. How'd they know which phone you had too?
Oh, they asked me.
Oh.
Yeah, on
nice.
Instagram.
When a deal gets out of hand, or you just
I've always
forgot
wanted one of
a
these.
knife to open boxes
They're credit card
with.
knives.
Those are sweet.
That's amazing.
Funny story about the credit card knives. I don't know if it's a funny story actually. A friend of mine kept one of these in his wallet and like traveled the world for like a year and never got stopped at an airport or anything. Yeah,
That's a little. Is that actually a blade in there?
it's a super sharp blade.
Oh,
Yeah, it pops out.
Oh my goodness. I would hurt myself.
this is amazing.
Last thing in
Ooh.
here, this is a big one.
What is that? We don't have these.
Callie, you open it.
Supposed to help me.
You took all the fun out of it!
I got excited.
It's like kids at birthday parties.
Oh,
All the
yeah.
friends start opening it. It's not your birthday.
anti the other
That was easy.
kids
to
opening my presents.
It's wrapped.
Whoa.
Individual wrapping.
Oh my god, guys, why do you like us this much?
I don't even like me this much.
Rally Roots.
Wait, what? Where did you
That's
get
a cool
this?
bag.
Some
Oh, these
presents.
are
Where did you get
bags.
these?
Alright, let me do this first. There's a note that says, this is a little long, but please read on camera. My story, 13-year-old entrepreneur. On 6/16, I was watching YouTube videos and saw that people could buy clothes and shoes at thrift stores for cheap and sell them on eBay and Amazon to make lots of money. So the first time I went to Goodwill, I only got 3 things, and they were video games, and I thought that I would make lots of money from that. It wasn't true.
Oh.
We've been there before. I ended up selling all of them for a small profit. I took a break from it for 2 months because I was convinced that there was no money in this business. In August, I decided to buy a small video game lot on eBay for $27. I ended up making around $50 off of it,
Wow.
and I was determined to keep going and eventually make lots of money off of this. Nice. Skipping past 7 months, I looked into liquidation wholesale lots and reselling that for money. I paid $305 for the whole lot and have already made a net profit of $275. That's amazing. And it has been 3.5 months along with $1,000 worth of vinyl records I still have from the lot. Wow.
Wow.
I was like, holy crap, that's a lot of money. Then I purchased 2 more for a total of $450 in May and was for sure they would pay off. In the one of 2 lots, I was surprised to get a $250 Bluetooth stylus.
Nice.
Whoa.
I was super happy and I only have made around $150, but I am selling more every day. What a cool story.
This is awesome.
To go from like thinking that you wouldn't make any money to it, now you're profiting.
And
That's
trying
amazing.
again, even if the first time didn't work out.
Yeah.
Just dust yourself off.
Wow.
I had also been looking at storage lockers for resale too, kind of like Storage Wars. I got one for $73.61. It's cheap.
That's great.
And I've already sold over $50 of the locker. Nice. I kept a bar stool, gave one to my brother for his birthday, and gave my mom a table that was in there for her birthday. I then bought another liquidation lot on June 12th, and has over 1,500 of clothes worth of dollars of clothes in it. That's awesome. I was super happy to get this lot, and after 7 days, I've done over $100 in sales. Nice.
Wow.
If you're thinking that my gross is every month, if you're thinking what my gross is every month, it is close to $1,400 every month. Awesome. I recently started Amazon Seller on June 14th. I have done $128 in sales, and it's been 3
Wow.
days.
Someone's hustling.
Killing it.
Dang. This business has completely changed my life for sure. Wow. Some people are at the skate park after school. Nope. I'm packing my $100 electronic typewriter that I got for $14.
Oh.
Hell yeah. As a young entrepreneur growing up, respect, man. That's so cool. This has helped me through the tough and down times, and has also given me a hobby that makes a lot of money at the same time. I'm currently selling on Amazon FBA, Amazon, and eBay. On Amazon FBA, I'm sending in lots of clothes, video games. FBA is fulfilled by Amazon, in which all of these Prime items are sent to Amazon FBA. So that means when you order something from Amazon Prime, you may be getting something that I sent in. Nice.
Yay.
You never know who you buy from. All those board shorts may have been from the company, or they could be the ones I got in the liquidation lot. My life has changed for sure. I went from 10. All right, hold on. Let me backtrack because this seems important right here. My life has changed for sure. I went from $10 in my pocket to $500 saved for a car, $300 plus in my pocket. This is such a good story, man. And thousands of dollars worth of stock. This is my story, and I hope you like it. Wow. That's
awesome.
That's amazing.
This is amazing.
So, okay, hold on. Let me get something straight real quick. Are you 13 years old?
Yeah, this is mind-blowing for me that if it says 13-year-old entrepreneur.
13 years
Are you
old?
13?
That is incredible. Absolutely incredible. What I'm going to do in this YouTube video, guys, he left a store name. I'm going to link that store in the description of this video. Click on that link. Go and support Jackson. Is that right, Jackson? What an incredible story. That's really, really, really amazing. Honestly, I am, and you got a whole bunch of like cool...
Callie, whenever you have a kid, I hope your kid is just like Jackson.
I don't want kids.
Look at this. That's awesome. Seriously. Thank you.
Oh my god,
Amazing.
that's gorgeous!
And there's still more stuff to open, so let's open this stuff.
I'm gonna save all of this.
Open
Of course,
this
I
one.
save everything, but you know, I'm gonna
hang
it.
What? Oh my god, babe. That looks like an Allie gift right there.
That is an
Scrapbooking
OCD
thing.
Allison gift
it's a
all the
calendar.
way.
2017 isn't over yet. This is awesome. These are planners. Wow, these are nice.
Whoa.
Those are very okay.
Sugar
This
paper?
is a planner I always want to buy, but don't because I'm too cheap to buy a nice one. But wow.
I don't know if you knew it or how you knew this, but Allie is obsessed with planners. Actually, she is a little bit OCD, and she always writes everything down in her planner. So.
One
That
can
is
be a
really
business
nice.
planner too,
cool.
though.
What's sugar paper? Can you eat it?
Try.
No, it's just the name of a company
I
brand.
was gonna try.
It's just the brand. Callie, don't eat the paper. Just kidding. You can
I'm
eat it.
hungry. I haven't had
Try
lunch
it.
yet.
Oh,
All right, there's 2 more things I'm gonna open.
I love these. Love these. This is
They're cool.
amazing.
I really like the tie-dye ones.
I like the watermelon.
I
one.
love all of them.
Hey, let us know where you got these from, please. This is an iPad case.
Whoa. This may make you want to use your iPad in the kitchen more.
How
Yes.
cool. Oh, whoa, look, it's got storage. You can put your like headphones and stuff in it.
What?
It's a sweet case.
Wrapped
That's an
around your
amazing
fish.
case.
This is a lot of stuff, man. You really didn't have to do this,
This
but
was
thank you.
extremely generous and
So
so
nice.
sweet.
What is it? What is it?
What
is
is
it?
it?
What are you?
Making a mess, Callie. Does that make you anxious?
Just a little bit.
That's another iPad case. Wow, this is an expensive one. Smart Suit 3.
Whoa.
Awesome. Thank you.
Whoa.
I like that design.
That is a nice
So
case.
many gifts. That was
It
so
does
cool.
all these things.
Thanks again for everything. Again, link to your eBay store will be in the description of this video. Guys, go and buy stuff from their store. Support a young
Yeah.
entrepreneur. That's amazing. Props
So
to you. Thanks again.
And put in the comments below, you said 13-year-old entrepreneur. You are 13 because
Yeah.
that just is even more impressive.
And let
that
us know.
blows my mind.
Let us know your shirt size, and if you have friends or anybody else who wants a shirt, let us know in the comments, and we'll hook you up.
And if you want to get adopted.
Thanks again. Appreciate it.
All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog here for today. Thank you again so much for the presents from you guys. That really does mean a lot to us. We're gonna go ahead and start prepping the rest of the warehouse now to get ready for the storm. Again, thank you for your thoughts and prayers. We will make it.
And we're gonna start adding up t-shirts to see what we're gonna put an order in
That's
for.
right, that's right. If you haven't told us the size of the t-shirt that you want, leave it in the comments of this video, because that order is probably gonna go in Monday. So yeah, get your t-shirts.
Get your t-shirts.
Thanks
Get
again,
your
guys. Thanks again, guys. I'm Ryan Roots.
I'm Allie Roots.
And
we-
together,
Oh.
whoop. Thanks again, guys. I'm Ryan Roots.
And I'm Allie Roots.
And together we are Rally Roots. Peace.